I'm Fred Thompson, and I'm inside business. No effort to conserve our natural resources can be complete without a strategy for repurposing the resources we've already consumed. The new mantra in conservation is recycle, reuse, renew.
In order to compete in a changing economy, America's industries are striving to lower costs and increase efficiency. With the availability of recycling technology developed down under, things are looking up for construction companies here in the U.S.
In the mid-1990s, while working in his demolition business in Sydney, Australia, Sam Turnbull was faced with the same challenges that many companies are today. Rising overhead costs were eating into company profits. As a result, Sam identified the need for a highly productive portable screening machine that reduced cost and minimized waste. Well, Sam also uncovered a gap in the market in terms of the ability to screen aggregates to various sizes. And as a result, over the next several years, he devised what we now know as the flip screen. The flip screen is a waste screener and recycling attachment that runs on skid steers, excavators, wheel loaders, and telehandlers.
The term flip screening refers to the unique patented process. A bucket with a mesh sector on top is rotated 360 degrees along a horizontal axis to allow the finer particles of the bucket contents to be screened out. At the end of each revolution, the contents are stopped by a baffle, which holds the contents until the bucket is further rotated. The contents then spill over the baffle and restart their journey over the mesh section of the bucket. The average flip screen processes about 2 tons in 10 to 12 seconds.
Flip screening reduces landfill contributions by up to 80%. By reusing most of the material recovered on site, such as soil, sand, and hardcore fill, it avoids the need to purchase new material, and it avoids transportation-related costs.
The company receives positive feedback from owners who recognize the financial benefits of on-site recycling and reuse of recyclable material.
The immediate benefits of flip screening include a reduction in cost and the need to purchase new materials. There's also a reduction in waste disposal fees. Flip screening also helps you avoid transportation-related costs such as labor, fuel, and equipment maintenance. Flip screening creates a saleable product. For example, separating crushed concrete, asphalt, and steel from demolition rubble generates new sources of revenue. Whether you're in the business of construction, demolition, or recycling, separating and screening materials creates a saleable product and helps reduce the amount of excavation spoils sent to landfills.
According to Schoonmaker, bringing green credentials to the building industry these days can be a very good thing.
There's a growing public expectation that construction-related environmental impact must reduce. This change cannot hurt the bottom line. At the job site level, positive change is being driven by processes and technologies like flip screening because it saves the environment and it makes money.
At this recycling site in Mount Vernon, Illinois, various types of metals are being recovered.
Scrap metal recycling is one of the key elements to a cleaner environment. Metal recycling reduces pollutants, eliminates significant manufacturing and mining wastes, and contributes to the overall health of our environment. For our company, incremental investments need to produce measurable results with a positive impact on our company's bottom line. If an investment has a long payback horizon or hard to quantify benefit, it may not be a near-term priority. However, if we can invest and realize quantifiable benefits, then why shouldn't we invest? In 3 hours of flip screening, we generated 30 tons of mixed metals with a value of $7,500 that otherwise would have ended up in the landfill.
Flip Screen USA made its official U.S. debut in Las Vegas in the spring of 2009. Flip screens are currently being utilized in 19 countries around the world.
At the job site level, positive change is being driven by processes and technology like flip screening because it saves the environment and it makes money.